guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your host Momentum, and first of all, without any delay, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all fine. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. So as you can see, this is the chart of natural gas and its time is almost 12:20 a.m. Okay, so before starting the video, let me share my 2-day report to you. So this is Euro CAD buy signal, we have hit target 1. Euro USD buy signal, we have hit target 1, and GBP JPY sell trade, we have hit target 1. Out of 3 trades, the last signal GBP JPY sell is also shared in our free group. As you can see, this is our official channel. We have almost 1700 plus subscribers. Okay, so you can join our free VIP group lifetime. Just you need to have an account on OctaFX, FBX, IC Markets, XM Global, Vantage Markets, and VT Markets. This is the famous brokers of the world, and this is the signal that we shared today. And as you can see, we gave a sell limit and market successfully triggered our sell limit, and after that it immediately hit our target 1. Okay, so this was a short intro about us, about our official channel, and let's get back to our topic. Okay, so this is the chart of natural gas, and yesterday I told you when I was recording a video, we formed a trend line like this, and I told you that this is the fake break. First of all, let me talk to you in a detail. Okay, so yesterday when we were recording the video, I told you many things, and one of them was this is a fake breakout. Which breakout? This one. This was a stop loss hunting moment. Why? Let me explain with the help of a chart. Okay, so this is a strong resistance here. As you can see, the prices are coming down from that zone, but here there is a wick. But in the meantime, the very next time market just reject the trend line once again. But now this is a fake breakout to hunt the stop loss. Okay, here this is again a stop loss hunting moment. This is a fake breakout. Why this is a fake? I always told you. First of all, let me remove some of these drawings so I can explain you in detail why this is a fake breakout. If you are going to give the answer like I am giving you, you are a genius. Okay, let's suppose we have a chart like that, and prices are moving in that structure. Okay, let's suppose we have a chart like that and prices are moving in a structure. Why and how will you identify that these two breakouts are fake or not? Okay, similar structure we have here in the net cash. So let me give you the answer, and if you have the same answer like I am going to explain you, you are a genius. Okay, so let's suppose market is moving like that. This is a red candle, this is again a red candle like that. I am very sorry for my diagram, and my diagram is too bad. So let's see, we have a wick here like that. Okay, like here we have. Okay, the very next candle is green. The very next candle is green like that. Let's make it green so you can understand very good. And very next candle is also green like that. Okay, now listen to me carefully. This is a fake breakout. Why? Because the candle close in the zone. Okay, but this is not a fake breakout because the candle is closed above the zone. What is happen next here? The market will retest like that. Okay, the market will retest like that, then it will go up. This is a pure breakout, true breakout, not a fake breakout. Here as you can see in the chart, there is two fake breakout formation, 1 and 2, because both time the market close in the zone. Okay, I hope this point is very helpful for you. Let's come back to our topic. This is the trend line number 1 and this is the trend line number 2. Simply you can call them a parallel regression channel. The second name of this parallel trend line pattern is known as parallel regression channel. Okay, so this is the zoom. If I zoom out, then this is the zone. We will get many opportunities like that. So what is next? We have a spot here. If I am going to zoom out the structure, this is the spot here like that. Like that. This is the perfect support level that I can draw. I have drew. Okay, so why this is a support level? First of all, keep in mind always, if a market is going to break the zone, it will be always a bullish engulfing pattern or a bearish engulfing pattern. Keep it in mind. This is 100% authentic practice, and now I am going to explain with an help of diagram. For example, here is a so we can start from here. Here is this a zone, there is a zone, and you can see there is a big bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, again the market broke the zone with a strong bullish engulfing pattern. Third time again. Okay, now the market is retesting here for the fourth time. Okay, if the market came down and it will reject here like that, if a strong bullish engulfing candle formed here like that, which will engulf the zone, then it will be a strong indication of buying. Okay, if market is going to form a strong bullish engulfing pattern, then the very next candle will retest like that, maybe or maybe not. Then the very next candle will be formed like that, and the third candle will be pumped twice than the previous candle. This is the 100% authentic practice. You can backtest it anywhere if you like. Okay, so if this will happen, then market will continue its structure from that zone to this trend line. Maybe again it will form a bullish engulfing pattern there, or maybe a fake breakout, depends upon the market or the investors. Okay, so this is the buying confirmation you are going to buy if market is going to make a new channel here like it had formed in the past or in the history. Let me show you with the help of example. For example, there are a cluster of candles, almost 10 plus candles according to H4 structure. Here again there is a cluster of candles, and now maybe this is also a cluster of candles. If you can identify the market, the prices can be pushed from here. The criteria is same. We need a strong bullish engulfing pattern candle. If this candle formed, then we will have a strong bullish formation of buying. If for example there is no formation of bullish engulfing pattern and we have a direct selling candle which is engulfing the zone in the downside direction, then the very next first target of the market will be this support level. Then maybe the market can fall here, but this is very rare. Okay, because this zone is very important, because market broke this zone with the strong power and a news. Okay, then the market can retest this, or then market will be buy. The ultimate trend is buy. Keep in the mind. Okay, this was all about natural gas. The last time when yesterday when I was recording the video, the market was here. So I told you if it is going to make a channel here, it will also be a good news for the buyers. Then we will have a strong formation of buying. Okay, this was all about natural gas. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you have any question, you can contact us on the WhatsApp or maybe on the Telegram, depend upon the choice of yours. Okay, thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Forex Planet.